Hey guys, wanna know how to create an Instagram post just by using BeFunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your BeFunky application or go through the website. Now, once you're there, under Call Ads Maker right here, you can see Graphic Designer. Simply click on it. Now, to create an Instagram post, first we need a template. So, make sure you are in templates right here on the left side and then head towards search templates. Now on the left side, just simply search for Instagram posts and press enter. And once you're there, your templates should load. The default Instagram post size is 1080x1080px or 1200. So simply click on whatever you like and then select use this template right here. And there you have it. Now you can edit, add or remove images just like that. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.